Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up and connect your Yeedi M12 Pro Plus with the Yeedi app that's available at iOS and Android app stores. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead, let's get this set up. Once you have the Yeedi app downloaded, you'll be prompted to sign in or create an account. Once you do, you'll be at your main dashboard where you can view any other Yeedi products you may already have connected to your account. In our case, we already have the Yeedi Cube set up, but we want to add our new product here. So in the top right-hand corner, we can select that camera barcode icon, and we can scan a QR code to set this up, or we can manually select the robot if we want. We'll go ahead, we'll start with the QR code set up here. So if you look on our unit, we have our QR code to scan. And now it's going to work on walking us through setup. So press and hold the middle switch on the robot and wait for the startup sound to end. Okay, there we go. Powered on, we've scanned it. Select next. Turn on Bluetooth hotspot. So we have this little option right there we got to press.
Bluetooth hotspot has been released.
Okay, there we go. Bluetooth hotspot has been released. We heard that. Select next. Now Bluetooth pairing. I see our device right there behind the animation. Now we need to connect to our Wi-Fi network. So go ahead, select your home Wi-Fi network and enter your password, then hit next. Now we got a voice prompt, network setup in progress, please wait, and it's gonna go through a couple of steps to initialize.
Network connection successful.
Boom, super quick. There's the name, we could change that if we want. Select continue. Looks like we have a quick little download there. And now we can go through our time zone. And everything has been set up. It's that simple. Now we're into the main features of our Yeedi M12 Pro Plus within the app. So setup simple and straightforward. There's nothing else to it. Now you can start enjoying your robot vacuum and mop.